Kia ora. No, we'll say a little bit energy. A little bit more energy. 3, 2, 1. Kia ora te whānau. We've got a bit of a different setup, as you can see. We're doing a bit of a kāpū wānanga I tēnei port. Do you want to tell them where we're going?
We're going to Chatine to get a bubble tea.
Have to, te whānau, have to. Anyway, we thought this evening's kaupapa could be te reo o te rangatahi.
Hey, we rangatahi.
And we speak te reo. So we've got a book here with some kupu Māori to some used slang, some rangatahi slang that we use on the daily, and we thought by putting it out there today we could you know, just encourage te reo Māori within us rangatahi. Maybe there's a Māori word for a thing that you're saying and now you can say it in Māori. Oh, we all use words like reheko. Do you use any slang words or do you not know many?
Must confess, I don't use Māori slang words, mostly in Pākehā.
Yeah, what Pākehā words do you use? Maybe there is a Māori.
Jeez, put me on the spot here. Yas?
Yas?
Was it I? Aye.
It's like, aye.
What's out the gate?
Out the gate. Kei tua o tā waiwau.
Kei tua o tā waiwau.
Kei tua o tā waiwau. There is...
What's tā waiwau?
Tā waiwau, I'm guessing, is a metaphorical word for gate. Kei tua, you know, beyond thy, beyond thee.
Beyond thy gate.
Beyond thy gate. We have, you had one job.
What was that one?
That was tahi te mahi kahi. You had one job, cousin. Tahi te mahi.
Ko tahi te mahi kahi post on Friday.
Oh, try guess what the Māori slang for yeah is.
Hiki na.
Oh yeah, that's close. That's,
Hiki.
it's paya.
Papaya.
Knock. Knock. Erama.
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 Oh, Erama. Not
Yeah,
Erama.
it. It's just got caps Erama.
Oh, Erama.
Erama. Erama. Oh no, that's Garmon.
Oh.
Knock is kariko. Karikoji. Kariko. I'm gonna give you a word and you have to use it in a scenario. Build-ups. So build-ups is your kupu, and then the kupu Māori is turaki wawata.
Turaki wawata. Alright, kawaia turki taku mama. Oh mama, hea te kai o te pō. And she goes, oh, maki tānara. And then I go home and there's bottle up.
Hello darkness, my old friend.
Turaki whata? What is it?
Turaki wawata. Oh, that's weird. Akene.
AF.
Oh, AF. Akene. We use that quite a bit.
Akene.
Like haunga akene, smelly as.
Oh, that's a good one. Haunga akene.
Akene is good because you can tapiri it to anything.
Anu akene.
Anu akene. Hia kai akene, hungry as. Hia inu akene.
Hey yo, it's the remix. Kia ora te whānau, we just got our orders.
As you can see, we've switched hi papa.
Right. So now I'll be taking over. Go hearty out. Who get it? Who get it?
Who get it?
Who got it?
Who get it?
Who got it?
Who get it? Who get it?
12E? 12E?
Te kai mārua.
Okay. Punua.
Oh yeah,
You're so
makes sense.
clever.
Like a baby, like punua ko. Ya little cow. Tiro hea e rā punua.
That's us.
That's us.
That's us, G.
Tawatera.
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 That's us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Aye. Who get it?
Tawatera.
Who get it?
Can you use that with a slight vocal rise? Could you answer the question while asking it?
Yeah.
So, ko tawatera?
Aye. Ko tawatera. There you go.
If you couldn't hear it, it's just a slight raise.
So as you can see, te whānau, some of them the words are simple, but how you say it, it can vary. But like that fella crossing the road, Rama.
Far out. Wekengeru. Wekengeru.
Wekengeru.
Not kangaroo.